All right, check it out. My name is Ricardo Figueroa. This video I'm going to show you for those doing e-commerce. This is a way for you to create a page just showing one product at once. And the best thing about this strategy is that once you send your traffic to this page, people will be focusing just one product. They're not gonna be in your Shopify store looking for other things and get distracted, trying to collect emails, other product offers, and so on. So that's why I like this approach. Basically, you are going to link your ClickFunnels. In this example, I'm using ClickFunnels. So you're gonna link your ClickFunnels with your Shopify store, and it's very easy to 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 do. But this is your landing page. And this example is a product. It's called a portable USB outdoor shower. I saw this on YouTube and I decided to share it forward. So how this works? You send people here. You have a video about your product. You have a description. You have your order form on your right side. If you keep scrolling down, you could add more titles here to for this product. You could add like Amazon reviews on this side, and then just more bullet points that you could get from the same Amazon or from anywhere that people are selling these for a cheaper price. But that's the whole point about drop shipping. So now the best thing about this funnel is not just one page. Once they buy here and they click like yes, send me my free story hooks, and they buy, it's going to take them to a second page, which is upsell. You see, it's going to take them to this page. It says your order is being processed, but do not navigate away from this page. So basically, you are going to present them with another product similar to the previous one. So in this example, this is all about like babies and stuff like that. This one is another product related to babies. Thanks for ordering your free stroller. So right now, the reason why I like this is because they already put their information here. Shipping, everything is already there. You already collected that payment. When they go to this page and you offer this or any other product that you want, all they have to do is just click on it, and that's it. They don't have to right here. They don't have to enter their information again to purchase this. All they have to just click. Once they hit the click, so you're going to make this sale. If they've clicked the no thanks, I don't need this now, it's going to take them anyway to a third upsell. In this example, it's a product that is from ClickBank. It's a informative toddler articles about babies and so on. And the best thing about this is it looks like it's a membership offer. So if they buy this promo, it's going to take them to ClickBank, process the order, and then that's $88.99 a month that you're going to receive. The commission, whatever the commission is. So it's very easy to do. This funnel, I'm giving it away for free. All you have to do is just have a ClickFunnels account. There is a 14-day trial, free trial, so you can go wrong with that. And I'm just gonna show you really quick. I'm gonna refresh your mind about how this works. Remember, you create. I'm gonna give you a link. All you have to do is just click on it, and you're going to receive the entire funnel just like this one. All these steps right here. Step 1, step 2, 3, and confirmation. And then all you have to do is just go to different pages and update, add your pixel, and so on, and connect this with Shopify. And I can help you with that. But first, before I help you out, you need at least to get your ClickFunnels using the affiliate link that I have on in this video below. If it's on Facebook, it's gonna be above this video. So remember, they're gonna land in this product, any product that you want, you can just change all this. When they buy, they're gonna take them to an upsell. This is the any product that you want. You can change all this. If they buy, you make money. If they don't, it's you're gonna take them to a third option. In this option, in this example, this funnel was set up with offer from ClickBank. So all you have to do is just go to ClickBank, look for an offer here about babies or any other product related to your first two products. Pick pick an offer, get that affiliate link. Let's say, for example, you want to promote this baby shower. All you have to do is just click on promote, and then write down your nickname. That's your username in ClickBank, and then create. And then that link is the one that you're going to place right here when they buy. When they click on upgrade my order now, monthly payment to this is going to take them to ClickBank to process their order, and that's it. But if you need more information about this, I could work with you. But the only way that I could work with you with this is by you signing up under my affiliate link, sending me proof of your free trial with ClickFunnels, and I could help you set up all this for you in one-on-one. But look how easy this is. This is the first product. All you have to do is just click the edit page, and this is how you update your stuff inside of ClickFunnels. All you have to do is just click on the video, upload your YouTube video here or Vimeo or whatever you have, upload it there. Just double click and you can change any text that you want. Let me see. See, you can just add any letters that you want. Make sure you link up this payment order form with your PayPal or Stripe or any other ones using third party. I think it's called the web hooks. You can change the descriptions here, titles, everything is editable. This is a screenshot, so all you have to do is go to find the product. If you want to add this Amazon review stuff, it could be like AliExpress, but you're not gonna put AliExpress here. Maybe Amazon is more. People trust more the reviews from Amazon, so this is a screenshot. Just go to Amazon, take a screenshot, and just place it here by clicking here and change the image right here. All you have to do is just upload the image from your computer, put it there, change the bullets. All these bullets are already somewhere done. Like if you use the Amazon example, you could grab those bullets here. So you don't have to create none of this stuff by yourself. Everything is done. The pictures, same thing. You just put the pictures there, and then make sure you link up your payment here with PayPal, Stripe, or whatever, and then the funnel will change by itself. From once they purchase here, is going to take them to the upsell 2, upsell 3, and so on. And you can even create more upsells and downsells if you want, as you want with ClickFunnels. And one very, 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 very important step that you need to make here is your tracking code. So you got a settings, tracking code, and this is where you are going to place your Facebook pixel right here. So just copy and paste it here always in the header code, and then save it, and then that's it. Another thing, if you wanna just grab emails and then follow up with these people, because you're collecting their email right here in the email box right here. So you need to go to integrations, select integration, pick your autoresponder. It could be Aweber, Drip, anyone. I'm gonna place a few links below so you can grab your own. And then Action is going to show you different lists that you have inside your autoresponder. Pick a list, and everything will sync. Then once you do that, it's just this is going to change to say connected instead of not connected. And then make sure you save your work, and then you should be good to go. And like I said, if you want this funnel, just click on the link below, download this funnel. Make sure you just, if you want my help, Make sure you sign up on the ClickFunnels using my affiliate link. But if you want to grab this link without doing the affiliate link, you are your own. Just go and do whatever you want with it. But the coaching 101 is not going to be included. That's it for now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Um, and leave any comments below. Let me know what you really want to learn when it comes to traffic, e-commerce, and CPA. Those are my favorite three things to do. Just traffic, CPA, e-commerce. As long as marketing, I'm down for it. So that's it for now. My name is Ricardo Figueroa. Have a blessed day and purpose, and see you until the next one.